Good morning, everyone. I'm Aisha Sharma of class 11th. Today I'm going to share a wonderful story with you all, and its name itself makes it special. Mother's Day. God cannot exist everywhere, that's why He created mothers. Mothers are someone who works without rest, love without limits, and forgive without conditions. And even after their hard work and sacrifices, mothers are still taken for granted and treated as maids still in some of the families. Same was the case with Mrs. Annie Pearson. All the members in her family, including her husband George, her son Cyril, and her daughter Doris, they all took her for granted and treated her like maid. No one in the family ever had time for her. And Mrs. Pearson, being a mild and pleasant personality, she never objected to this because she never wanted argument in her house. And it remained same until one day. Mrs. Annie Pearson was sitting with her neighbor, Mrs. Fitzgerald, who was totally different from Mrs. Annie Pearson. She was bold, brave, and confident. And on seeing Mrs. Pearson's family struggles, she suggested him a unique solution. She said, "Why don't we switch personalities for a while?" On which, hearing Mrs. Pearson was shocked and was thinking, is that even possible? Yes, for Mrs. Pearson it isn't, but for Mrs. Fitzgerald it is possible, as she was a skilled tarot card reader. But Mrs. Pearson still not agreed to it, as she didn't want any of the disputes to happen in her house. But on insisting of Mrs. Fitzgerald, she agreed to it. And after chanting some mantras, their personalities finally switched. And now Mrs. Pearson, who was mild and sweet, turned into a bold and brave woman. And Mrs. Fitzgerald, who was brave and confident, has turned into a mild and sweet person. It is like that, their bodies and features remain the same, but their personality and soul interchanges. The way the real Mrs. Pearson is inside Mrs. Fitzgerald's body, and the real Mrs. Fitzgerald was inside Mrs. Pearson's body. So Mrs. Pearson, who was actually Mrs. Fitzgerald, taught Mrs. Pearson's family a lesson they deserved. She taught them the value of a family, that she taught them how to behave with mother and wives. And when Mrs. Pearson came back home to see what was happening in her absence, she was shocked to see her daughter Doris was crying because Mrs. Fitzgerald said something bad about her so-called boyfriend, Charlie Spence. And the son, Cyril, was angry because he told Mrs. Pearson to do some work, but she didn't do it. Of course, she didn't do it. And the husband, George, was angry and ashamed because Mrs. Fitzgerald tell the truth of him about himself and what the people think of him at the club, which was quite not good for him. On hearing arguments and insults about a family member, Mrs. Pearson told Mrs. Fitzgerald to stop and switch back to normal, which Mrs. Fitzgerald did not agree at first, but after insisting so much, she agreed to it. And when Mrs. Pearson switched back to normal, her caring, loving, and gentle nature was back. But what she had within her was a form of confidence. She was not afraid to speak for herself. And family, on the other hand, accepted their mistake, and for the first time, Mrs. Pearson ever felt a sense of gratitude. From this story, we get to know that mothers do everything silently and lovingly without accepting anything. But families sometimes forget to appreciate their sacrifices. And if angels ever walked on earth, they be in the form of mothers. Because truly, a mother does not need wings to be an angel. Her love itself makes her divine. Thank you.
इंट्रो दिया था आपने